Good morning, class 4. Myself, Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the fifth video lecture of the chapter Force, Work and Energy. In last video, we have seen the remaining simple machine and we have seen energy. What do you mean by energy? Ability to do work, काम करने की क्षमता is called energy. So in today's video we are going to see different form of energy. Means energy is present in different form. So we have to see different form of energy. One is kinetic energy. Energy of any moving object is called kinetic energy. Means किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट में जब वो मूव कर रहा है उस समय जो एनर्जी उसके पास पोजेस करता है, मीन्स जो एनर्जी उसके पास है उसको बोलते हैं काइनेटिक एनर्जी. सो द एनर्जी of an object due to its motion is called kinetic energy. To make you understand, have you ever seen windmill, वो पवन चक्की? So when wind blows, then this pavan chakki start rotating, and due to rotation of this windmill, it is fixed with some gear, and this moving rotating motion of the windmill help to generate electricity or do some other work, means like pumping out water or grinding wheat, means गेहूं पीसना या जमीन से पानी निकालना हैंडपंप की तरह, या इससे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करते हैं. सो दिस विंडमिल रोटेट ड्यू टू ब्लोइंग विंड, बहता हुआ हवा. सो दिस मूवमेंट, दिस मोशन ऑफ द विंड is possessing energy called kinetic energy. So just now I told you the energy of any object which is in motion is called kinetic energy. Next is potential energy. Potential energy. The energy of an object due to its position is called potential energy. Is called potential energy. अब इसको ऐसे समझने का कोशिश करते हैं. ये एक घर है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट फ्लोर, दिस इज द सेकेंड फ्लोर एंड दिस इज द थर्ड फ्लोर. नाउ यू टेक ए बॉल. एक बॉल लेते हैं, कोई हेवी सा बॉल या कोई भी बॉल लेते हैं और जमीन पे नीचे रेत बिछा देते हैं. ओके, तो इस बॉल को फर्स्ट फ्लोर से हम सिर्फ ड्रॉप करते हैं, फेंकना नहीं है, सिर्फ ड्रॉप करते हैं. तो ये मान लीजिए कि ये बॉल रेत में या बालू में नीचे यहां तक आया. इसका मतलब इस बॉल में कुछ एनर्जी था, मीन्स इस हाइट पे उस बॉल में कुछ एनर्जी था जिसके कारण वो रेत में इतना दूर तक अंदर गया. नाउ अब उसी बॉल को वापस से लेकर जाते हैं और इस रेत को फिर से बराबर कर देते हैं और इस बॉल को इस बार सेकेंड फ्लोर से ड्रॉप करते हैं, तो क्या जितना गड्ढा पहले में हुआ था उतना ही होगा कि उससे ज्यादा होगा? ज्यादा होगा, क्योंकि बॉल ज्यादा हाइट से गिर रहा है, मतलब जितना हाइट से पहले बार गिरा था उसके दुगना हाइट से गिर रहा है, तो इस बार गड्ढा थोड़ा ज्यादा अंदर तक जाएगा वो। तो इसका मतलब सेकेंड फ्लोर पे जब बॉल था, मतलब अगर ये मान लेते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये मान लेते हैं 20 फीट है और ये 40 फीट हो गया, ये एक फ्लोर 20 फीट का है, ये फ्लोर 20 फीट का है मान लेते हैं हम। तो 20 फीट के हाइट से जब बॉल को गिराए थे तो ये इतना गड्ढा हुआ था, 40 फीट के गड्ढा हाइट से गिराए तो इसमें इतना गड्ढा हुआ, और 60 फीट के हाइट से गिराएंगे तो इसमें और ज्यादा गड्ढा होगा। मतलब बॉल जितनी हाइट पे रहेगा उसमें उतना ज्यादा एनर्जी होगा, तो वो जो एनर्जी होगा उस बॉल में उसको उसका पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कहते हैं। सो द एनर्जी ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट ड्यू टू इट्स पोजीशन, if when it was on first floor it had some energy, but when it was on second floor it has double the energy which it have in first floor, मतलब फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जितना एनर्जी था उससे वो डबल हो गया, मतलब हाइट डबल हुआ तो एनर्जी भी डबल हो गया। इसका मतलब क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं? मींस the energy which is due to its position is called potential energy. Okay, so kinetic energy, energy possessed by an object due to its motion, and potential energy, energy possessed by an object due to its position. Okay, so these two are main, kinetic and potential energy. Other form of energy are, other form of energy are electrical energy, energy that we use to glow bulb, run fan, charge your mobile or run your refrigerator, that is called electrical energy. Heat energy, solar energy, हीट मीन्स कोई चीज गर्म जो होता है तो जो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करेगा उसको हीट एनर्जी कहते हैं। सोलर एनर्जी, एनर्जी दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम द सन इज कॉल्ड सोलर एनर्जी। साउंड एनर्जी, मैग्नेटिक एनर्जी, केमिकल एनर्जी, एटॉमिक एंड nuclear energy. So these are the other form of energy. So energy we have seen different form of energy: kinetic energy, potential energy, electrical energy, heat energy, solar energy, sound energy, magnetic energy, chemical energy, atomic energy and nuclear energy. Next is source. One more thing, energy can be transformed from one form to another, means energy can be changed from one form to another, means I am saying energy can be changed from one form to another. Example, when we switch on bulb, it glow and produce light. हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? When we switch on bulb, it glow and produce light. जब हम स्विच ऑन करते हैं तो बल्ब जलता है और लाइट प्रोड्यूस होता है। Means here you can say electrical energy changed into light energy. So from here, from this we can say energy can be changed from one form to another. For example, solar energy, वो सोलर प्लेट होता है ना, उससे हम लोग एनर्जी जनरेट करते हैं. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ सोलर प्लेट वी कैन चेंज सोलर एनर्जी इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. विंड मिल से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट होता है. सो वी कैन से विद द हेल्प ऑफ विंड मिल वी कैन चेंज काइनेटिक एनर्जी इनटू electrical energy. So from that we can say energy can be changed from one form to another. Okay, next topic that we have to see is source of energy. So on this earth there are different source of energy: wind energy, solar energy, hydro energy, means water energy. So we have different source of energy, but in today's video we will discuss about only solar energy. Wind energy, hydro energy and atomic energy we will see in next video. So what is solar energy? See, different form of energy is there, but the different source of energy is there, but the main source of energy to this earth is sun energy or sunlight or solar energy. What is solar energy? Energy that we get from sun is called solar energy. You remember photosynthesis? During photosynthesis, CO2 plus H2O, carbon dioxide and water in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight change into glucose. So this process is called photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? It is a process that takes place in the leaf of the plant where they use solar energy in presence of chlorophyll, CO2 and water to make food. So plant prepare food in presence of sunlight. So the energy that we get from sun is called solar energy. So this energy is used to make food, and as we know we depend upon plants for our nutrition. So we get energy from food and we get food from the plant, and plant make this food with the help of sunlight. So we can say the energy which is circulating in all living organism is actually the solar energy. So we can say with the energy that we have, the energy that I have through which I am speaking, that energy I get from food, and food I get from plant, and plant get this energy, plant make this food in presence of solar energy. So the main source of energy is solar energy. Okay, so this solar energy is also used to generate electricity. That solar panel which we use, solar panel that used to generate electricity. Okay, so main source of energy on the earth is the sun, and it is called solar energy. What do you mean by solar energy? Energy we get from sun is called solar energy. Solar energy circulates in living beings. Means the living beings have energy. That energy is actually solar energy. Next is solar energy is also used to generate electrical energy. So, with the help of electric panel, so solar energy is also used to generate electricity or electrical energy. So, video is already of 16 minutes. So, for today we will stop here. The wind energy, the water energy, and atomic energy we will see in coming video. Okay, thank you.